Hi, boys and girls.
It's Max.
Yes.
And Daddy.
Yes.
And Lucy Lou.
Yes.
And Mama.
Yes.
And we're here to teach you about phonics.
What's the sound today, Mom?
The sound is the O-W, the ow, and the
Ow.
O-U, like an ow.
Ow.
Yes, and today we're going to start off with the O-W, like in how.
How?
How are you?
How are you, Lucy Lou?
How are you? How are you, Lucy Lou? I think she'd be really good if you give her a treat.
Oh, yes.
How?
She loves her treats.
How, boys and girls, can you say that? Huh? Ow.
How?
Huh? Ow. H-O-W.
How?
How? How? There's another word.
Yes.
And Lucy brought her friend with her. Come on.
She
back here.
did?
Yes. And it
What
is...
friend might that be?
It is a cow.
A cow?
Look, Lucy Lou.
Oh,
You brought your friend.
Look.
Look. You brought your friend, Mr. Cow. Oh, you were chewing with him. Cow. Oh, can you say that, boys and girls? Cow.
Cow.
Cow. Cow. Cow. C-O-W.
Cow.
But Lucy Lou, look at this. I think something's wrong.
I
think you're tricking Mama.
What's wrong?
Are you tricking Mama and Daddy?
Is that a cow?
It's not a cow.
No.
It's not black and white.
What?
It's pink.
It's
With
pink.
a snout and a little tail.
Oh,
Oh, it's
that's pig.
a pig. Lucy
That's not a
Lou.
cow.
Is this your
Huh.
pig? You were trying to trick Mama. Well, goodbye then.
Oh,
Poor little piggy. Oh, Boo-Boo wants it. Okay, well, that cow.
cow.
Yes. But now we have the O-U.
Oh, yes?
O-U.
What's the OU word?
Well, the O-U word, Lucy has one. And we all do.
We
Can
do?
you think about it?
What's that?
O-U. A mouth.
Mouth. A
Mouth.
mouth.
Boys and girls, can you say mouth?
Mouth.
M-O-U-T-H with
Oh.
the digraph.
Yes, there's
T-H.
mouth.
Mouth. And Lucy has such a big mouth.
Oh,
Look at that
yes.
big mouth. Do you have some
And
teeth?
so does Boo Boo
Oh,
Bear.
look at those teeth. Oh, he does. A big mouth. Mouth, boys and girls, can you say that? Mouth.
Mouth. Is there another OU word?
Yes, there is. Someone really special.
Yes.
Someone
Hmm.
who I brought. Oh,
Would that
let's
be-
find out who it is. Oh, and it is What's in
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Mouse. Minnie is a mouse, of course.
Yes.
Hi, Miss Lucy Lou.
Mouse.
I came to play with you. Mouse. Can you say that, boys and girls? M-O-S. Mouse.
Mouse.
Mouse. It has the O-U in it. M-O-U-S-E.
Mouse.
Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Mouse. Or it could be Mickey Mouse if you had a boy. Mouse.
Mouse.
Mouse. House. Like house. It would rhyme with house.
It
And
would.
house is another H-O-U-S-E.
Yes.
House. And mouse. Okay, are you done, Minnie? Okay, thanks for joining us. Hi, boys and girls. We have one last word.
What is
That
that?
has the O-U.
Oh, yes?
Yes, and it is called out. Like
Out?
if you go outside.
Out?
You know, Lucy Lou likes to go out.
She does?
Yeah, she likes to go outside and bark.
She does.
Lucy Lou, can you go out? Out of the chair? Hop out of the chair. Let's see her hop out.
You might
Here,
have to
Lucy Lou.
give her...
Here, Lucy Lou. Hop out. Hop out. Hop
There.
out. Hop, hop, hop.
She gets
Out
of
of
the
the chair. Out. Can you hop back in? Come on. Hop, hop, hop. Hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop.
Almost.
Oh, what
There
a
she-
good girl. Out, boys and girls. Can you say
Out.
that? O-U-T. Out. Out. You did such a good job going out of the chair.
Yes.
Out. Out.
Out.
Out. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, boys and girls. Lucy Lou and Boo Boo Bear and we just want to say thank you so much for subscribing and liking our videos. It is totally free to subscribe and like. And we're trying to get how many likes and how many subscribers? What? 10,000. So you can, subscribe and like today. Thank you, boys and girls. We're so excited to bring you phonics. Lucy Lou says bye-bye. Boo Boo Bear says bye-bye. There you go. Good babies. Bye, boys and girls.